Welcome to our tutorial on how to view settings on Messenger on your PC. Let's dive into the steps. To begin, open messenger.com in your web browser. Once the website loads, you'll be able to access your Messenger account from your computer. Next, locate and click on your profile picture within the Messenger interface. This action will prompt a drop-down menu to appear. In the drop-down menu, choose Settings and Privacy, and then proceed to click on Settings. You will then be directed to the Settings page. On the Settings page, you'll find a variety of options listed in the left sidebar. Click on the specific setting that you wish to update or modify. By selecting the setting you want to change, you can customize your Messenger preferences according to your preferences and needs. Remember to save any changes you make by clicking on the appropriate buttons, ensuring that your settings are updated successfully. Exploring the settings on Messenger allows you to personalize your messaging experience and tailor it to suit your requirements. You have now learned how to view and manage settings on Messenger on your PC. Enjoy customizing your Messenger account and optimizing your messaging experience. Thank you for watching.